Welcome to Base Chat, the simplest way to chat with your knowledge base. Base Chat enables sales, support, legal, and HR teams to unlock instant productivity by consolidating data from every corner of your company in an easy-to-use AI chatbot. Instead of spending hours searching through CRM tickets, email threads, or documents in your Google Drive, you can use Base Chat with your company's knowledge base using AI. And Base Chat is simple. In minutes, not weeks, Base Chat connects to most popular data sources without a lengthy implementation process. Once you get access, you can name your chatbot, connect to your company's data sources, invite team members, sync, and go. You can trust that you're getting the best results because your data is being processed by the world's most advanced RAG pipeline powered by Raggy. Ask a question, get an answer, expand to learn more, and check source documents. Base Chat avoids hallucinations by using your own data to help answer questions. Originally created as an open source project to demonstrate powerful features within Raggy, Base Chat is now available as a standalone product for companies to leverage without requiring any technical expertise. If you are interested in learning more, visit raggy.ai/basechat to speak with an expert.